Welcome back. This is, I guess, part 2 of the autofocus test on the Panasonic G9. If you haven't seen my previous 2 videos, I have linked them in the description. I've now set the camera to 4K 60p 8-bit, and we're running the same autofocus tests. Left the ISO, white balance, aperture on the camera lens, the same lens, same lighting. I've not even moved the tripod. I've had to physically move myself because I've had to get up and change some settings on the camera. But other than that, I'm seated in pretty much the same position. Anyway, without digressing, I'm going to start the autofocus test, and I'm going to start with another swig. So that's acquired very quickly. I'm impressed with that. I'm going to grab a few boxes. Acquired focus on that very quickly. Well done. I'm going to grab a book. Yep, it's acquired focus on that book again very quickly. Back to my face. Yep, grabbed focus on my face quickly as well. I'm going to pick up another book. That's impressive. Very well done. And back to my face. And now the most difficult test, I guess, is this low contrast object, which is my GX9 camera. In the very first test, and as I've mentioned in the previous test, it struggled. Okay, it's again struggling. It's, I think, trying to keep focus on my face. Yeah, I can see. Okay, I'm going to move out of frame. It's now picked it up. On this setting at 60 frames per second, it should be easier for the camera because it's got more pictures of frames. Not sure of the exact technical term, but it can, yeah, it should be easier. But it struggled. I'm just going to try that again. Okay, see, it's acquired at this time. It's again, I guess look, the Panasonic autofocus, it's not as bad as it used to be. But it's still just not quite perfect. For my use case, and your mileage may vary, for my use case, it's more than good enough. I'm not a professional videographer. I'm a hobbyist, and I predominantly shoot still images, so photography is my pastime. But I do make these other YouTube videos here and there, and I'd like something that's reliable. And for me, the Panasonic Lumix G9, not the most reliable, but reliable enough for my needs. You know, I'd love to see or read your comments and see what you think of the Panasonic G9. Until next time, see you. Bye.